Okay, so let's check out how you can use WP Event Manager. So we'll go through installation and basic usage of this plugin. So if you go to official website WP Event Manager, that looks something like this. It has basic version for free with add-ons being paid. So we will download this from WordPress. Okay, so log into your WordPress, then go to plugins and click on add new. And in search we will basically check this plugin and we will try to install this. Okay, now click on install. Now it should start the installation. Okay, once installed you can click on activate, and then that should take you to the welcome page, or it may take you to install plugin page. So let's find out. Now here you can see we are redirected to setup wizard page. We can click on continue to page setup, click on that. Okay, now here you see the page setup will show you list of available page titles that it will choose along with the shortcode. Okay, so create selected pages, and that's it. We are done. Okay, now let's find out where these pages are and we will look at the default of it. So here we have events page, we can view that. Then there is event dashboard, and then there is also post and event page, so we will go there. So default events page looks something like this. Here you can see you have list view and this boxed view. Okay, so when we add event, it will be populated on this page. Then there is event dashboard page where you can see list of events in a table format are listed, where you can take action on them. Then there is also post event page we can look at. So here it may open editor. So let's say event title, to add promotion. Okay, online event, yes. So you basically add details for the event and click on preview. Okay, it will look something like this, and you can view it on its page once you finalize it. Okay, now you get the idea how to preview your post event. And now we will take a look at dashboard, where you can see one event being listed which you can delete, check how many it viewed, start and end date. Okay, and so you get the idea how to use WP Event Manager in WordPress.